guys, the gamer. My intro sucks. Hello guys, the gamer here, and today I'm playing Minecraft map. Another one of those redstone maps, which I love. But wait, before we get into this video, don't forget to subscribe for daily videos. Don't forget to turn on the notifications and leave a like to enjoy this video even more, because we're going to live in this mansion, guys. Boys and girls, this is a giant mansion. I did a mini tour with my sister of the house, but not on camera, sadly. And we absolutely loved it. There's something special about it. So me and my sister played in it a little bit, but then I was like, wait, I have to do a video on this. But sadly, my mom, wait, not really sadly, I'm home alone, which is the best thing ever. I don't usually be home alone, but now I am home alone, and because it's a Monday, and I'm home alone, and it's a bank holiday, I just feel absolutely great. So let's, guys, jump in right into the video. Let's go. So as you can see, we started off on this little platform inside here. There. And there was actually meant to be two houses, but I walked down the road like that side and that side to be quicker. Let me just quickly fly over. There's no second house. There was meant to be an orange house, but it is going to be still created. So in this house, there will be 4 bedrooms, 21. I didn't get this one, but 2.5 bathrooms, I think so. 2 stories and 15 rooms. This is how the outside of it looks. And our house is 101. I'm not really sure what street we live in, but I don't care because this doorbell is awesome. Listen. It continues. My volume is a little bit down. Let's go see. Audio, music, 100. Sound volume, 100. So we open the door, we walk through the pressure plates, and we see these things, tripwire hooks. Over there, what are they called? They're like coal hooks where you hang your coal. I think that's what it meant. Now this is the awesome part. Turn off all the lights and turn on all the lights. I absolutely love that. Let's go here. So this button, I forgot it completely. I thought that button doesn't do anything, but it turns out that the flipping TV. But I just want to do date because I can barely see. So we got that beautiful couch and a beautiful TV, and we got a object, and then we got some chests over here, which I think. Now we got this. I think it is actually a true story. And so we're not going to let out on fire. Next up is my yard, my garden, which I absolutely love. And now it's time for the kitchen. This is my beautiful chandelier. Let me quickly turn on the lights. Yeah. And now what I love about this, those are actually like real cupboards. All of them has it. Now this is a very cool part as well. I never knew what's in like there because I was just like trying to look, but it didn't work. And as we can see, if we turn up as well, we have kind of like a fridge. Not really sure because this Our flipping fridge. Oh, this is our brewing pans. If we can just... There. This dropper has these things. This dropper has these things. Let's go down. Oh, they don't have a second part to them. We got 3 big sinks. We got a crafting table that got crafted on. And don't mind that part. We got a cake that I didn't bake. We got 3 ovens. Another brings down a trash, which is actually, let's say, okay, I hate this bowl. I'm gonna throw it out, but there, it's gone. It just disappears. Ooh. But then, I don't know what it is. Now, if we go out this door, there's 3 other doors. We got a bathroom. Then, if we go here, this is nothing happened. So let's continue. This is the garage, which is actually very cool. I'm still not sure how to get into these cars, but what I love. There, just like that. One button closes the garage door, which is absolutely cool. Now let's continue with the house door. I think we can go now upstairs. Oh wait, I forgot my favorite part. Do you see those pressure plates over there? Well, guess what? Do you want to know what happens when I stand on them? Dun dun dun! It just disappears. How cool it is. Okay, we can actually, I think, continue with our second floor. I'm not sure that I put something in the stairs because I like to put stuff in the stairs. But this is not my build map. Just saying. So now we're on the second floor. We'll start with this hallway because that bedroom is literally the best bedroom. I love that bedroom so much. This is a baby room with a closet with something broken. I'm not really sure. Let me turn on the lights. Then there's this bedroom. Yeah. Can we just get in, please? Whoops, never mind. We got this bedroom, a boy's bedroom that loves cars with a closet. Then we got this bathroom that actually has a working bath. Then we got a toilet, the main part, which we can flush that easily. I almost broke something again. Bro, hate when there's closed doors. Okay, walk straight. There we go. Now this is one of the biggest bedrooms, which I absolutely love. Again. Now this was, I think, meant to be a wardrobe, but I think later I'm not too lazy to actually build it. Well, this bedroom has a speaker with a computer, a laptop to be right. What up? Double bed. Next up is my favorite bedroom. Are you guys ready for the reveal? Dun 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 dun. King size bed. 1, 2, 3 pillows, and this is actually one bed. Don't mind that. Woodlands giant, the roof with a night light. Yeah, and a beautiful picture of, I call this a cake. but I'm not really sure what it is because I think like this is like a mini tower and then there's like a lady and stuff. Man, oh my god, this person has a picture. How do we like him? He looks like a sculpture a little bit. Like a sculpture in the bath. We got this beautiful bookshelf. We got, this is the fire. Or a cake, which I like to call as well. Now, this is the bathroom, which is the biggest bathroom. I love this bathroom. It's gigantic and it's magnificent. Let's go in. Walk through another door. Ta-da! Working double bath. We got a working shower. I'm not even sure how they did this, but I absolutely love. Can I just press like something that's there? I think I can. We got these chests, which have nothing in them. A giant mirror out of ice with 2 sinks. And then we got 2 doors. Which one of them is a closet and which one of them is actually a bathroom? Can you guess? Is it door number 1 or door number 2? You got 3 seconds to choose. 1, 2, 3. This one is the closet, which we got paints and boots. Then we got chest plates and boots, helmets and boots, and a light. No, don't turn off the light, please. No, hell no. Ah! I got scared there. And there we go. I forgot. I got scared there for a little bit. And this one is the bathroom. A teeny tiny one, but at least it doesn't have a pressure plate. You can just walk out like that. That's what. But I hate that there's a window just right here so people can look at you while you're pooping. Never mind. While you're bathing. So this one is actually my bedroom. I love it so much. And I just really appreciate that bedroom. I don't know why, but I just appreciate it. Now we can go back downstairs and we can actually burn this house down. I don't know, should I do it? I will. This is what you do, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, to make beautiful content for you. I'm actually scared. Was this alive? Never mind. The house really caught on fire. But look at that command box. Look, it's not really burning the house. It's only broke 1 block. Jeez, that's not that bad. That means we're allowed to have this magnificent fireplace that we can actually use. Me and my sister were scared to use it because we didn't want to burn down the house. But it's all great content. But you know, because I really like it. I hope yeah, it's still on fire. You know what I really don't like about this house? About this map? Is this. Burn it down. It's not spreading. Spread. Oh my god. Never mind, you cannot spread. That means, chicken, you have to go on fire. Why you may ask me back? Because I want to have cooked chicken. Cooked chicken. Oh, I didn't want to pick it up. No. Whoopsie daisies. I better close this up. Guys, I'm really tempted. I'm really tempted. I usually download this map, can't I? Well, guys, the temptation. Too high. Spread, my lord, spread. Why are you not spreading? There. Can you spread now? I just can't do it. Do I really just have to like... Oh, there we go, there we go, there we go. Beautiful escape! I think, guys, I will put these TNTs down and I will get back to you when I'm finished. So, you know, this was the bathroom next to this bedroom, which is exploded now. So I accidentally pressed a button and this is what happened. Okay, let's just continue placing down the TNT. There goes nothing. An accident happened again. Oh jeez, why I keep messing up? I almost messed up again because there's a redstone torch right over there. So I better keep going. Okay, see you guys then. Guys, it is happening! As it's exploding, I keep placing more and more TNTs. This is such damage. Okay, we still got some TNT upstairs that I forgot to let up. I wonder how are these command blocks surviving? Let's look at this house from far, far away. Let's burn this house. I don't care. If this can't spread, I will be actually very mad. Well, at least let's place it on the wood. So it destroys more. Never mind. Okay, got a ton of blocks now in my inventory. Never mind. I don't got a ton of blocks. Oh, these are still on fire, guys! Whoop whoop! Okay, let me just collect more blocks. Yes, more blocks, more blocks, more blocks, more blocks. I think now I got a full inventory. Almost 5 slots left. Okay, so let me see. How does it look when it stops raining? Plus, it is day. Oh my god. It doesn't look too horrible, but it doesn't look too good as well. Well, I guess I didn't get to do the thumbnail, and I'm very glitchy at the same time. Guys, I hope you liked this video, and I'll see you on Wednesday. Goodbye.